Hello and welcome to today's webinar, and the recipe is caramelized onion sourdough scones. These scones take the classic combination of caramelized onions and bread to a whole new level by adding a tangy sourdough twist. Now, scones have been enjoyed for centuries, originating in Scotland and becoming a staple of British cuisine. Today, scones are enjoyed all around the world, and you can find recipes with just about any combination of ingredients that you want. When you take a little bite of these scones, though, you'll experience a delightful contrast of flavors that perfectly complement each other. The caramelized onions provide a touch of sweetness and depth, while the chives bring a fresh and herbaceous note. And of course, the butter is doing its job, making them buttery, light, and dense, all at the same time. So, whether you're a seasoned baker or just getting started out with sourdough, these caramelized onion sourdough scones are a must-try recipe that will impress your taste buds and anyone lucky enough to try them. So, let's get started.